Gates open, they're up and racing. China Girl shows alertness at the start. And moving up by the rail is Erica's Talent. Aloha down in third. Moving up on the outside is Noble Quest. Then followed over by the rail by Accuries. Then moving up on the outside, Jupiter Thunder. Unopposed comes next. Sharp Eye. Next in line by the rail, Ingay. Ingay moving up Sophia's Fury. Then comes Precious Metal. Wow Wow West is running at the tail of the field as they round towards the last 600. Now we have Aloha takes the lead over China Girl on the outside by Anek. Running by the rail third is Erica's Talent. Running in fourth at this moment, Accuries down in fifth, unopposed. Then comes Jupiter Thunder as they turn for home. Aloha this time by about 3 lengths. Running in second by the rail, Erica's Talent. China Girl is fading out, moving up, unopposed and Accuries. With the last 150 more to run, we have the favorite Aloha by about 6 lengths. And finally, Aloha. Second, number 1, Erica's Talent, unopposed. Number 4, Accuries and China Girl for your Pentapecta.
Okay.